Hello everyone, this is Kishore Patil and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Maths for Science. Dear students, we are going to start the first chapter of Standard 9 Maths 1. Maths 1, name of the chapter is Sets. Let us see first what do you mean by set. Before that, we all are very well known about the collection of objects, or you can say collection of different things. If it is well defined, for example, we know that a flock of birds or a pack of cards or a banquet of flowers and so on, these are not the well defined. If the collection of object is well defined, then we can say this is the set, and the definition of the set is the well defined collection of objects is called a set. Now I am taking one example of set. Suppose A, it is a set of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. This is the set. See, this is the name of the set. Name of the set always written by using capital letters A, B, C, D and so on. And these are the elements. These are the elements. Okay, elements always denote in the form of number or small letters A, B, C or whatever be the part of the set. Okay, these elements are the part of set A, or we can say that 2 is belongs to A. See, 2 is the part of set A. That is why we can say 2 is belongs to A, or you can say 2 is an element of set A, or you can say 2 is a member of set A, or 2 is an element of set A. If I want to write 11, so we cannot write 11 is a set of element of A. So we can write 11 is not an element of A, or we can say 11 is not a member of A. 2 is a member of A, 11 is not a member of A. Okay, now let us see two methods of writing sets. Methods of writing sets. So there are two methods. The first one is the listing method, or you can say the roster method, and the second one is the rule method, or you can say set builder method. Okay, now let us see what are the meaning of these two terms. Listing method, that means there is a list of the element, and rule method, there is a rule or one of the formula is given. So let us see one example. I am taking an example. Suppose I want to write set A. Set A is a set of X such that X is a day of week. A, it is a set of X such that X is a day of week. So we can write A is Monday, Tuesday, then Wednesday, then Thursday, then Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So if I am writing set in this form, it's called the listing method. Or I am writing in this form, in the form of rule or in the form of formula, this is the rule method. Okay, now let us see some more examples. Suppose I am taking the second example. M, it is a set of A such that A belongs to natural number and A is less than 10. So M is equal to, see, we know that natural numbers are starting with 1. So our one answer will be natural number and less than 10. So is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, because we want less than 10. Okay, so this is the set. So this form is set builder form, or you can say rule method, and this one is the listing method. Okay, let us see some examples from practice set 1.1. Practice set 1.1. I am taking question number 1, and the first one is the set of even numbers. Okay, question is given. Question is write the following sets in roster form. We have to write in the roster form or in the list form. So given that set of even numbers, for that purpose I must know what do you mean by even numbers. The numbers which can be divisible by 2 or which are divisible by 2 are even numbers, or the numbers having 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 at unit place are even, and having 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 at unit place are odd. So set of even numbers, I can write, suppose A is equal to, it is a set starting with 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and so on. So this is the set of even numbers. Okay, let us see one more example. Suppose I am taking third one. Question is set of negative integers. Negative integers. For that term, we must know what do you mean by integers. We know that this is the number line. Here it is 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on the right hand side, while -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and so on the left hand side. All these numbers are positive numbers, integers, and these are the negative integers. Remember, 0 is not positive, not negative. 0 don't have any sign. So I have to write set of negative integers. I am taking, suppose, uh, P with a set. You can take any letter P with a set starting with -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and so on. Okay, these all are the negative integers. रिमेंबर यहाँ पे मैंने -5 तक लिखा है, तो इसका मतलब आप लोग भी -5 तक ही लिखोगे, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. अगर किसी ने ऐसा लिखा क्यू बी द सेट ऑफ -1, -2, -3 and dash dash dash, this one also correct. Or someone write, can be right -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -999, यहाँ तक भी लिख सकता है. Okay, so these are the some simplest way. Now let us see question number 2. If you want to write, you can pause it and write it. Question number 2, Write in symbolic write the following symbolic statements in words. Write following symbolic statements in words. Okay, the first one is 4 upon 3 is a element of set Q. So we can write first 4 upon 3 is an element of set Q. Okay, and the next one is, suppose given that P is a set of small p such that P is an odd number. अच्छा, remember question is just write in words, not listing form में लिखो, ऐसा क्वेश्चन नहीं है. So we can write set P. This set P is a set of all p small p, all p such that see, p is a set of all p such that p is an odd number. Let us see question number 3. Question number 3. Question is that write any two sets by listing method and by rule method. So if you read the textbook, or you can see the same video again, you can get so many examples. I am taking question number 4. Question number 4 is write using listing method. Okay, let us use the listing method. Question is that first one is all months in the Indian solar year. Okay, for that we must know which are the months in the Indian solar months. So these months are Chaitra, Vaishak, Jyesht, Ashad, Shravan, Bhadrapad, Ashwin, Kartik, Margashish, Paush, Magh and Falgun. Very good. So A, it is a set. You can take, instead of A you can write M or any other letter. A, it is set of all months in Indian solar year. So start with the Chaitra. Vaishak, Jyesht, Ashad, Shravan, Bhadrapad, Ashwin, Kartik, Margashish, Paush, Magh and Falgun. So these are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. These are the 12 months. So this is the listing method, while this one is the set builder method. Okay, let us see the next question. Suppose question is set of prime numbers from 1 to 20. Okay, so I am taking P be the set of all prime numbers from 1 to 20. So prime numbers are starting with 2. 2 is the smallest even prime number. 2 is the smallest even prime number, as well as 2 is the only even prime number. Remember, 2 is only even प्राइम नंबर. ये जो पार्ट है ये एक्स्ट्रा इंफॉर्मेशन का है, तो आप कहीं बाजू में इसको लिख लो. दिस वन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अच्छा, ऐसा क्लाउड बनाने का नहीं. ओके, सेट ऑफ प्राइम नंबर्स फ्रॉम 1 to 20. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. These are the prime numbers. For that purpose we must know what do you mean by the prime numbers. Okay, that means different part. Okay, now P is a set of prime numbers from 1 to 20. Okay, let us see question number 5. Using rule method. Write in using rule method. Write using rule method. Okay, first one is A. It is a set of 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81 and 100. If you see it carefully, you can easily understand that 1, 4, 9 and so on are the square of 1, square of 2, square of 3, square of 4, square of 5 up to square of 10. So I am writing here A. It is a set of x such that x is equal to n square. n का स्क्वायर है, एन n स्टार्टिंग विथ 1 स्क्वायर, 2 स्क्वायर, 3 स्क्वायर अप टू 10 स्क्वायर. तो n is greater than or equal to 1, less than or equal to 10. Okay, and one more thing is there, and n belongs to natural number, because रियल नंबर लेते तो पॉइंट में भी आएगा ना 1 to 10 के बीच में, तो n belongs to natural number. So this is the formula method or the rule method. Let us see one more example. Okay, this answer can be written as A. It is a set of x such that x is equal to a square, or A is less than 11. A belongs to natural number. We know that natural number starting with 1, तो अल्टीमेटली a स्टार्ट होगा 1 से, तो 1 का स्क्वायर है 1 अप टू सी a इज लेस देन 11. लेस देन 11 दैट मीन 10. 10 स्क्वायर इज 100. a belongs to natural number. Similarly, this a can be written as A. It is a set of a such that a is equal to x square. X is less than or equal to 10 and x belongs to 0. X is greater than 0, less than or equal to 10. X belongs to W, whole number. ये भी चलेगा. Practice set 1.2 maths 1 sets. For that purpose, let us see first what do you mean by equal sets. Equal sets. Suppose there are two sets, set A having element 1, 3 and 7, and one another set, set B having element 3, 1, 7. So we can say these two are the equal sets. See, 1, 1, 3, 3, 7, 7. So that is why we can say these two are the equal sets. Now see one example. We have to decide whether these two are equal set or not. Given that A, it is a set of x such that 3x minus 1 is equal to 2, and one more another set, set B, which one is equal to x such that x is a natural number. X is a natural number, but x is neither prime neither prime nor composite. Okay, now we know that first I am writing set B. One another set is there, set C. Suppose set C is x such that x is the element of n, that is natural number, and x is less than 2. Okay, let us solve first. What do you mean by set A? Set A is a set of x such that 3x minus 1 is equal to 2. Very good. Now I am solving set A. Let us take 3x minus 1 is equal to 2. Therefore 3x is equal to 2 plus 1. Therefore 3x is equal to 3, and therefore we can say x is equal to 1. So x का एक ही वैल्यू मिल रहा है, therefore I can say A, it is a set of 1 only. There is only one element, which one is A. Now let us take set B. Set B, it is the set of x such that x is a natural number, but x is neither prime nor composite. Okay, there is only one number which one is neither prime nor composite, that one is 1. 1 is the only element which one is neither prime nor composite, so is equal to 1. And let us see the C. C, it is a set of x such that x belongs to natural number. Acha, natural number starting with 1. So natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 and up to infinity. But x must be less than 2. Less than 2, that means it is just 1. Okay. Now you can say set A, set B and set C, all three having the same element. Therefore we can say sets A, B, C contain the same elements or same element. Therefore sets A, B, C are equal sets. Okay, now let us see the next example or next concept, that is the empty set. Empty set. Okay, I am taking one example. Suppose A be the set of A such that A is a natural number smaller than 0. Okay, A is a natural number smaller than 0. How is it possible? We know that natural number are starting with 1, तो 0 से स्मॉलर नंबर तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है, तो A में आंसर आएगा कुछ भी नहीं. So that is why A is an empty set, or you can say set A is an empty set. Set A is an empty set. Okay, let us see one more example. Suppose another example 2. Suppose B be the set of x such that x is a whole number and x is less than 1. So answer will be, we know that whole number are starting with 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3 are the whole numbers. Our whole number must be less than 1. So अपना आंसर आएगा 0. Remember, 0 has value. So that means B has one element. That one is 0. Therefore, B is not an empty set. अच्छा, एम्प्टी सेट नहीं है तो क्या है, इट हैज़ ओनली वन एलिमेंट, देयरफॉर वी कैन से दैट बी इज ए सिंगलटन सेट। अच्छा, ये फिलहाल लिखने की जरूरत नहीं, मैं खाली एक्स्ट्रा इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए बोल रहा हूँ। बी इज ए सिंगलटन सेट। ओके, let us see the next concept, that is finite finite and infinite set. Okay, suppose first set A, it is a set of x such that x is less than 10 and x, it is an element of natural number. Okay, so x must be less than 10 and x is an element of natural number. We know that natural numbers are starting with 1, so therefore our answer will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. That's all, this is our answer. If there is less than or equal to, देन इट मस्ट बी 10। सी लेस देन 10 है तो अप टू 9 आएगा, लेकिन इक्वल टू 2 रहता, इक्वल टू 10 रहता तो यहाँ पे 10 भी आता। बट इन ऑल वी कैन काउंट ऑल द एलिमेंट्स, देयरफॉर सेट ए is a finite set. Okay, now let us see one more example. I am taking, suppose the next one, set of people from your village. Set of people, set of people from your village. So we can count how many villagers are there, so therefore it is a finite set. Third example I am taking, suppose set of whole numbers. How many whole numbers are there? Whole numbers are starting with 0, but then again 0 1 2 3 up to the infinity. Therefore we cannot terminate any stage. We do not terminate any stage, therefore we can say that set of whole number, it is an infinite set. Okay, now let us see the next topic, there is the subset and universal set. Okay, suppose I am taking a set of standard B. So B is a set of all students. B is a student of X such that X is a student of class 9th B. Okay, suppose A be the another set. It is a set of A such that A is a boy of class 9th B, or C be the another set of C such that C is a girl of class 9th B. Okay, so we can say A is a subset of set B because all the element of set A are belongs to set B. Similarly, we can say that C is a subset of set B. Okay, as well as we can write, suppose one another set C. In this case, all the element of set C are also element of set B. All the element of set A are also the element of set B. Therefore, we can say that A is subset. See how I am reading. A is subset of set B. C is subset of set B. Subset ऐसे लिखते हैं हम लोग कुछ इस फॉर्म में, and a line is there. Okay, C is a subset of B. Now vice versa, we can say that set B is universal set of set C. Set B is universal set of set A. Okay. Question may be asked as question, write all possible subsets of set A, and set A is given, suppose I am taking 1, 2 and 3. Okay, possible subsets are first one is the null set. Null set, that means you can say the empty set. The notation for the empty set, एक सर्कल बनाएंगे और उसमें एक ऐसा लाइन बनाएंगे. empty set is subset of all sets. मतलब क्वेश्चन कुछ भी हो, आपका सबसेट एम्प्टी सेट तो है ही. देन आई एम टेकिंग द सिंगलटन सेट 1, 2 and only 3. So these 3 also the subset of A. Then 1, 2, 2, 3 and 1, 3. These 3 also the subset of set A, and as well as 1, 2, 3 also the subset of A. Each set, see देखो ये और ये तो सेम ही. Each set also subset of itself, खुद का तो subset होता ही है. Okay, so these are the all possible subsets of set A. Let us see the next concept, that is the complement of set. Suppose I have a set A. I am taking an universal set. It is from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. One other set A having element 2, 3, 5 and 7. Okay, now I am taking A complement. See how I am writing here. A complement. A complement, it is a set of all the elements from the set U which are not contained in set A. See what I am saying? A complement, it is a set of all the elements of U. UK all elements which are not contained in A. U में जितने भी एलिमेंट है, सब एलिमेंट जो ए में नहीं है वो वाले ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट में आएंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल 1, 4, 6, 8, 9 and 10. So if A is 2, 3, 5, 7, then A complement is the remaining elements from set U. This is A complement. Okay, if you like the video, then like it, share it and subscribe it. Don't forget to click on bell icon.